Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make peanut brittle with Jaggery. This guide will help you create a delightful, traditional sweet treat right in your own kitchen. We'll walk through each step, ensuring your brittle is perfectly crunchy and flavorful. Using Jaggery offers a unique, rich taste and is a wonderful alternative to refined sugar. Get ready to impress your friends and family with this easy-to-follow recipe. To begin, let's gather our essential ingredients for this delightful brittle. You'll need about 1 cup of roasted peanuts. If they're skinless, that's even better. Next, prepare 3/4 to 1 cup of Jaggery, chopped into small pieces for easier melting. Don't forget 1 teaspoon of ghee or coconut oil, which adds a lovely richness. Finally, a tiny pinch of baking powder can help achieve a lighter texture, but it's completely optional. Now for the exciting part, cooking the brittle. In a heavy-bottomed pan, melt your Jaggery with just 1 tablespoon of water and a teaspoon of ghee over low heat. Stir continuously until it forms a thick, bubbly syrup. Test for a hard ball consistency by dropping a small amount into cold water. It should snap cleanly. Once ready, quickly stir in your roasted peanuts, ensuring they are all well coated. Speed is key here, as the mixture hardens fast. After spreading, it's time to finish your delicious brittle. Using a greased rolling pin, quickly flatten the hot mixture to about 1/4 inch thickness on parchment paper. While it's still warm, use a knife to score it into your preferred squares or diamond shapes. Let it cool completely at room temperature. This is crucial for achieving that perfect crispness. Once fully cooled, break it apart and store your homemade Jaggery peanut brittle in an airtight container for up to 2 or 3 weeks of enjoyment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.